In the previous lecture, we have studied about JavaScript statement and expression. And in this lecture, we are going to see some example of statement and expressions. So in JavaScript, a statement is a command that performs an action. For example, if I write a if statement, if x is greater than y, console dot log, and here I will log a message x is greater than y, and I will define this x and y, two variables. Let x is equal to 10 comma y is equal to 4 semicolon. So this is a if statement that is performing an action to check if x is greater than y or not, and if it is greater than y, it will print the message. So let's run it, and I will go to my console F12, and here I can see my message x is greater than y. Another example is loops in JavaScript. So for example, for loop for let I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and here I'm printing I. Console dot log I. So it will print 0 to 9. So we will discuss these loops in greater details later, but for now just understand the syntax. We are learning a statement. So this is a for statement. So this is for statement, and based on this expression result, it is evaluating that and running the code inside that particular block. So let's check it out. Let's run it. Control save, and if I see at my console 0 1 2 3 7 8 9, so we got the output. So this is for loop, which is a statement. Another, every function is also a statement function, and suppose I have created a function greet, and here I am sending name as a parameter, and I will console dot log name, and here I will call the function greet, and here I will pass the name Shani. Okay, and if I save it and run it, we can see the output is Sunny. So all these are example of statement which are telling JavaScript code to perform an action based on some condition. So now what are expression? An expression is a combination of values, variable and operator that evaluate to a single value. For example, if I write 3 plus 4, so this is an expression which is resulting to 7, and I can store this inside a variable. So let result is equal to 3 plus 4, and I will try to log it. Console dot log result, and if I run it, we got 7. So this is an expression, and this 3 plus 4 is an expression, and this overall is an statement. So a statement is combined of an expression. Similarly, if I write console dot log x into y, remember we have defined x and y on the top. So if I log x into y, so the result of x and y is evaluating to value, so that's why it's an expression. Control save, and if I run it, it's 40. That is 10 into 4, 40. So this x and y, x into y here is an expression. Another example, let me create an array 1, 2, 3. Okay, and there is a function map that is available on array. We will study it later, but for now just understand from the point of expression. And I give x parameter and x multiply by 2, so it will basically multiply every array element with 2 and give me the output. Let me store in some variable, let answer is equal to this. Okay, and console dot log answer. Let's run it, and here we got an array with 2, 4, 6. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 2 is 4, and 2 3 is 6. So each element in this array is multiplied by 2 and an array is returned. So this answer is array itself. Okay, so here this is also evaluating to value, so this is a expression. So that's it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will study how we can define variables in JavaScript in detail. Thank you so much. See you in next lecture.